India's stand on Pakistan has been made crystal clear as to why Operation Sindoor was necessary and how all the objectives of Operation Sindoor have been successful, have been fulfilled. This has been a direct one-on-one conversation that happened between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, which lasted approximately 35 minutes. According to the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, who has highlighted the details of this conversation as to how Pakistan was the country that first had to request India to stop military action, and Prime Minister Modi made it clear to President Trump that during the entire episode, at no time, at any level, were there any discussions on issues like India-US trade deal or any possible mediation by the US or any third party in the conflict that happened between India and Pakistan, which was solely between the two countries, and that happened because of through existing channels when both of the DGMOs had a conversation with Pakistan, making the first move to call for an end, to call for a ceasefire. Prime Minister Modi has stressed that India has never accepted mediation, does not currently and will not accept it in the future. There is no third-party intervention, and President Trump has understood the points that has been made by the Prime Minister in detail and has expressed support for India's fight against terrorism. Here's what Vikram Misri said.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप की मुलाकात G7 समिट की साइडलाइंस पर होनी तय थी। राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को जल्दी वापस अमेरिका लौटना पड़ा, जिसके कारण ये मुलाकात नहीं हो पाई। इसके बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के आग्रह पर आज दोनों लीडर्स की फोन पर बात हुई। बातचीत लगभग 35 मिनट चली। 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम आतंकी हमले के बाद राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने फोन पर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को शोक संवेदना प्रकट की थी और आतंक के खिलाफ समर्थन व्यक्त किया था। उसके बाद दोनों लीडर्स की ये पहली बातचीत थी। इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में विस्तार से बात की। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप को स्पष्ट रूप से कहा कि 22 अप्रैल के बाद भारत ने आतंकवाद के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने का अपना दृढ़ संकल्प पूरी दुनिया को बता दिया था। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने कहा कि 6-7 मई की रात को भारत ने पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर में सिर्फ आतंकी ठिकानों को ही निशाना बनाया था। भारत के एक्शन बहुत ही मेजर्ड, प्रिसाइज और नॉन एस्केलेटरी थे।
Well, in pointer-wise, let's help you understand what happened in this 35-minute detailed conversation that happened between the two leaders, as what is being said that it was President of the United States which initiated this conversation with Prime Minister Modi. The Prime Minister has briefed Donald Trump on Operation Sindoor, the US confirming and informing as far as when it comes to the precision strikes that were taken up by India and why exactly was it necessary, especially when it comes to the terror hit list that India had on its mind when it comes to the launch of Operation Sindoor itself, and what India has said that these strikes were precise and they were non-escalatory in nature. The Prime Minister, meanwhile, has also cleared India's stand when it comes to the ceasefire understanding, because Operation Sindoor is still going on and there has been no third-party mediation that has happened between the two countries, solely the issue that reserves between India and Pakistan. So there has been no talks on mediation with the United States at all. Now what is being said that ceasefire talks directly happened with Pakistan, with the Pakistani DGMO first telling his India counterpart and begging for a ceasefire. Discussions that happened on Pakistan's request, India never accepted US mediation. That has now been made clear, and this is no third-party mediation that was needed, is needed, and will ever be needed in the future. These are bilateral issues as far as when it comes to also on the issue, what is now being said, any act of terror that emanates from Pakistan immediately will now be responded as an act of war by India. And when it comes to the phone conversation that happened between the Vice President of the United States to Prime Minister Modi had said if Pakistan is planning a big attack, then a bigger attack and a response and retaliation will done by India. Goli का जवाब गोले से दिया जाएगा. That is what is being said as far as this conversation is concerned. Let's in the meantime talk about how the BJP has been reacting, because the BJP has now come out all guns blazing, tearing into the Congress over its claims of US intervention. Calling it as a web of lies, the BJP says that Trump intervened narrative stands that has now been busted and dusted. What the Congress party and the opposition mainly were banking upon, the very foundation has now clearly crumbled, where the party asserts that there was no US mediation in the first place.
कांग्रेस पार्टी फेक न्यूज की फैक्ट्री है, झूठ की जननी है, और उसके तमाम झूठों का जो मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते भारत विरोधी झूठ थे, पाकिस्तान परस्ती वाले झूठ थे, उनका आज पर्दाफाश हो चुका है, वो ध्वस्त हो चुके हैं. आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने साफ साफ डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जी से कह दिया कि कोई मध्यस्थता, कोई इंटरवेंशन, कोई हस्तक्षेप किसी तीसरे देश ने नहीं किया, बल्कि पाकिस्तान के डीजीएमओ ने भारत के डीजीएमओ को कॉल किया जब उसको मुंह तोड़ जवाब और कार्रवाई का सामना करना पड़ा. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने साफ शब्दों में कह दिया, जो कांग्रेस कहती है ना कि हमने सरेंडर कर दिया, अभी भी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर जारी है और आगे भी गोली का जवाब गोले से दिया जाएगा.
Well, it seems that the Congress is still sticking to its stand, despite when it comes to the phone conversation that happened between the two world leaders. As Prime Minister Modi has made it clear when it comes to India's stance on ceasefire, but the Congress still remains defiant, still clinging on its US intervention rhetoric. The party has now dared the government to call for an all-party meeting.
राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप ने 14 बार कहा है कि मेरे मध्यस्थता के कारण भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच में युद्ध विराम हुआ, यानी कि भारत को ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रोकने को मैंने मजबूर किया. और मैंने ट्रेड और टैरिफ नॉट तारीफ, प्रधानमंत्री तारीफ सुनना चाहते हैं और राष्ट्रपति टैरिफ की बात करते हैं, टैरिफ को लेकर उन्होंने बात कही. तो ये तो एक तिहरा झटका है ना, ये तो एक ट्रिपल झटका है हमारे विदेश नीति के लिए. आज खबर आई है कि प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के बीच में 35 मिनट का एक फोन कॉल हुआ है. प्रधानमंत्री ने क्या कहा, विदेश सचिव ने हमें कहा है, देश के सामने रखा है. ट्रंप ने भी निकाला, ये प्रेस नोट निकाला है कि मैंने क्या बात की. जो राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप के नोट में है और जो हमारे विदेश सचिव के नोट में है, यानी कि जो राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप कहते हैं कि ये बातचीत हुई और जो प्रधानमंत्री हमें कहा जाता है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने यह बात की, ये जमीन आसमान का फर्क है.
There is no denial either in the statement of White House or by Mr. Trump. What Modi is saying, if he is so, he should call the all-party meet and a special session of Parliament and divulge it. Then why he is running away from the Parliament discussion and all-party meeting? So, and moreover, what about the 14 times what Trump has said about that because of him the ceasefire was reached out? Either Trump should deny it, and of course Mr. Modi will not accept it, that the sovereignty of the country has been compromised.
Well, Srinjoy, as far as the opposition is concerned, it is still not buying, even despite this one-on-one conversation that happened between the two leaders. Does it mean that they find the United States more reliable source of information than their own government and their own forces?
Well, that's for the Congress party to say, that's for the opposition to say. But Vikram Misri made several points very clearly. The fact that, yes, the DGMO of Pakistan called up Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai and said, let's have a ceasefire. What is not known so well is that when right after the 9 terror camps were struck, the Indian DGMO had spoken with the Pakistani DGMO. And at that point, India had said that, look, we have done what we have done. The reply to that from the Pakistani side was very dismissive. The world, what the Pakistani DGMO at that point had said was the world will see what we will do. And within 48 hours of that, within 48 hours of dismissing India's point, on the 7th, what happened was this. The Pakistani DGMO called Lieutenant General Ghai and said, can we have a ceasefire? So in 48 hours, the Indian armed forces did what had to be done. One, destroy terror camps, 9 of them, and also certain military installations, because India was attacked. What India waged was a defensive near war.
So absolutely made it clear as far as on the terms where India accepted the ceasefire understanding. Why is that there has been only a halt or a pause when it comes to Operation Sindoor, the operation that is still going on, and many misadventure on part of Pakistan, any act of terror will now immediately be taken as an act of war, and India reserves the right to retaliate and to defend its territory and sovereignty as well. As far as the Prime Minister making it clear to the President of the United States of America as to why it was necessary to carry out Operation Sindoor. BJP coming up with another reaction. Let's play that out.
The Prime Minister has spoken to US President Donald Trump stating that there was no mediation that took place. The Pakistan Prime Minister is now also under fire considering there is so much criticism that is coming.
देखिए, आज की तारीख में कांग्रेस पार्टी को देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने स्पष्ट कर दिया यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका के प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को कि नो थर्ड कंट्री वाज इन्वॉल्व्ड, there was no third country which was involved in mediation, there was no mediation and there can never be a mediation. और पाकिस्तान अगर गोली मारेगा हिंदुस्तान में तो हिंदुस्तान गोली का जवाब गोले से देगा और प्रॉक्सी वॉर नहीं चल सकती एंड ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इज ऑन गोइंग. इसके बावजूद अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी भारत की सरकार हमारी फोर्सेस एमईए के स्टैंड में विश्वास नहीं रखती और आसिम मुनीर और पाकिस्तान में विश्वास रखती है, तो इससे यही स्पष्ट हो जाता है that the heart of Congress party does not lie in India and India's national interest, it lies in the Pakistani interest. This is why everybody in the country are telling Rahul Gandhi and Jairam Ramesh that you are the front of the Tukde Tukde Congress, which keeps the enemy's interest on the forefront, not India's national interest. The Congress party today should apologize to the people of the country if it has even an iota of national interest in it.
India-Canada relations are also all set to improve.
This is how the BJP has now been reacting to those questions that continue to be hit on part of the opposition, mainly the Congress party, because they are still insisting that they should hear it from the President of the United States himself, as time and again he's been taking credit, and an all-party meeting and a special session should be convened by the government. In the meantime, let's talk about how Pakistan has now been left red-faced by its own because its economy is in shambles. Now that is a fact that is known by everyone.